Rejection is something everyone experiences at some point in life, whether it's being turned down for a job, facing criticism, or feeling unappreciated in relationships. Rejection can sting. However, it doesn't have to be the end of the road. With the right mindset, you can use rejection to your advantage and turn it into an opportunity for growth. Reverse psychology teaches us how to take what feels like a no and transform it into a stepping stone towards success. It's not about tricking others, but about changing how you respond to challenges. Let's dive into 5 powerful lessons on how to use rejection to your favor. 1. Turn rejection into redirection. When someone rejects you, it might feel like a door is closed, but rejection can often be a sign that you're meant to head in a different direction. Instead of seeing it as failure, think of it as redirection, an opportunity to find a better path or something more aligned with your goals. Why it works. Rejection pushes you to think creatively and explore other options. It encourages you to step outside your comfort zone and discover opportunities you may not have considered. By shifting your focus, you turn disappointment into motivation. How to do it. When faced with rejection, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Reflect on whether there's a better option out there or if you need to adjust your approach. Reassess your goals and consider how the rejection might actually help you grow. Example: if you don't get hired for a job you wanted, it might lead you to apply for a position that's an even better fit for your skills and passions. Many people look back and realize that missing one opportunity opened the door to something even greater. By seeing rejection as redirection, you shift your perspective and take control of your journey. Use it as motivation to improve. Rejection can hurt, but it's also a chance to get better. When someone says no, it doesn't mean you're not good enough. It simply means there's room for improvement or a better way to approach the situation. Instead of letting rejection bring you down, let it fuel your drive to succeed. Why it works. When you focus on self-improvement, you gain confidence and skills that make future rejections less likely. Rejection becomes a stepping stone toward success because it pushes you to be your best. How to do it. Take a step back and analyze the situation. Ask for feedback if possible, and use it to identify areas where you can grow. Set specific goals for improvement and work on them consistently. Use rejection as proof that you're willing to learn and adapt. Example: if your business idea gets turned down by investors, take their feedback and refine your pitch. Improve your product or strategy and try again. Many successful entrepreneurs faced rejection before finding the right audience for their vision. Turning rejection into motivation shows resilience and determination, qualities that lead to long-term success. 3. Make them curious by walking away. Sometimes rejection is a result of people not fully understanding your value. Instead of chasing after their approval, reverse the dynamic by stepping back. Walking away can create curiosity and make them rethink their decision. When you show confidence in yourself, others are more likely to take notice. Why it works. People are naturally drawn to what they can't have. By walking away gracefully, you create a sense of intrigue and make them wonder if they made the wrong choice. This approach also boosts your self-respect and puts the focus back on your worth. How to do it. If someone rejects your idea, offer a polite response and move on without arguing or pleading. Focus on your strengths and keep working on your goals. When you handle rejection with confidence, it leaves a lasting impression. Example: if a potential client turns you down, say, "Thank you for considering me. I wish you the best." By leaving the door open without being pushy, You show professionalism and confidence. They may come back to you later when they realize your value. Walking away with confidence shows that you respect yourself and don't rely on others for validation. 4. Use rejection to build resilience. Rejection can be tough, but every time you face it and keep going, you become stronger. Learning to handle rejection with grace builds emotional resilience, which is one of the most valuable traits you can develop. Why it works. Resilience helps you bounce back from setbacks and stay focused on your goals. When you see rejection as a normal part of life, it loses its power to hurt you. Instead, it becomes a learning experience that makes you better equipped to handle challenges. How to do it. Acknowledge your feelings after rejection, but don't dwell on them. Remind yourself that rejection is temporary and doesn't define your worth. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage you to keep moving forward. Celebrate small wins along the way to maintain your confidence. Example: if you're turned down for a promotion, don't let it discourage you. Focus on what you've achieved so far and use the experience to prepare for the next opportunity. Over time, you'll become more confident and less affected by rejection. Building resilience turns rejection into a tool for personal growth and long-term success. 5. Turn rejection into a powerful story. Every successful person has faced rejection at some point. Instead of hiding your rejections, use them as part of your story. Sharing how you overcame setbacks can inspire others and show your strength. It also reminds you of how far you've come. Why it works. Your story of turning rejection into success makes you relatable and inspiring. It shows that rejection is a stepping stone, not a roadblock. People respect those who persevere and turn challenges into opportunities. How to do it. Embrace your failures as part of your journey. Share your experiences with friends, colleagues, or on platforms where others can learn from your story. Highlight what you learned and how rejection helped you grow. Example: if you were rejected by a prestigious school or company, but later achieved success in your field, share how the rejection motivated you to work harder. People love stories of resilience and will admire your determination. By turning rejection into a story of triumph, you inspire others and build your own confidence. Final thoughts. Rejection is never easy, but it doesn't have to hold you back. By using reverse psychology, you can turn rejection into an advantage. Whether it redirects you to better opportunities, motivates you to improve, or builds your resilience, rejection can be a powerful teacher. The key is to change how you see rejection. Instead of fearing it, embrace it as part of the journey to success. Remember, every no brings you one step closer to the yes you're working toward. With these 5 lessons, you can handle rejection with confidence and turn it into your greatest strength. Thank you for joining us today. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.